Hello everyone. Today we have another job. It's a Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. So, as per customer, he says that the laptop turns on. Wow, nice keyboard. I love Legion. So, the customer says that he turns on the laptop. The laptop turns on, but actually the screen is dimmed. But now I can see that the laptop is turning on actually. It's not booting? Is it booting? I can't see anything on the screen, yeah? Could it be that the laptop battery is drained or needs to be charged? I don't know. Oh yeah, no, I can see, yeah. There is a picture, I don't know if you can see it, maybe, wait. Let me try to show it to you. Yeah, he's right. Yeah, there is picture. You see, there is picture, but there's no backlight. Yeah, he was right. I don't know what he says, that it was dimmed. There's no backlight. There's no light at all. You see, there's picture, but there's no backlight. Sure. Let me turn off the laptop. I don't wanna force shut down it. Shutting down. Wait 1 second. Yeah, here we have the power. It's Windows 11 version. Shut down. It's clear, but there's no backlight. See, so let me open the laptop. I made once a video for like this about a backlight issue. I don't know if it is the same case over here, but we will see about that, right? Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so the cover is out. Just be careful, it's a bit tricky, this one. You have to remove the cover with the calendar, the fan calendar. Okay, yeah, that's a big board. First of all, since we will work with our screen, the first thing to do is remove the battery. Secondly, I need to locate where is it? Where is our screen connector? So could it be under the heatsink? Yeah, maybe. Let me remove the heatsink. Okay. Can I remove the heatsink right now? Why? Ah, okay, there's more. Sure. Oh, there's more over here, I think, yeah. I have more now. So with all screws out, let me just remove those heat sinks. Yeah, and here we have our screen connector. Let me look under the microscope. So now looking under the microscope, here is our screen connector, and here is our screen connector, and yeah, could it be the fuse? You see this? This is our fuse. Could it be blown? But usually these fuse can be blown by themselves. You see, it's not blown. No, this fuse is good. Do I have something else? No more fuse over here. Yeah. Even over here, we can check it. It's good, it's a resistor. Yeah, great. So I don't think there's an issue over here. Our fuse is good. Even the connector is good. Okay, what I'm gonna do next is disassemble the screen and see if there's something wrong over there. Yeah, I might say that this screen is very hard to disassemble. First, you need to remove this thin frame. Actually, it's very thin that you might break it if you put a little bit much pressure on it. That's one. And secondly, this is the lower cover. You see, there's a very soft plastic over here. Anyway, so since we are here, this screen is called frameless. Frameless by this I mean that if we need to remove this screen, we have to stretch out the adhesive that are located on those areas. But before doing that, I might have something to do first. For example, sometimes because of lack of many times, maybe the user is hitting the screen, or I don't know, he's angry from something. This connector might get a little bit loose, which is the video connector. So what I can do is just push it in a little bit, and sometimes it can do the job. So right now I'm testing it, but before doing so, let me just remove the hard drive, the NVMe. I don't wanna turn on and off the laptop frequently. I don't wanna lose the hard drive, right? Now I can do it this way, yeah? Yeah. So connecting the screen again and inserting the battery again, and also turning on. Where's my power button? I can't see it. Can someone see it? And now turning on the laptop. The laptop is on, but can we see a backlight? Oh, there's no backlight. That means it didn't work. So now it's time to remove the adhesive. Finally, after getting all the adhesive out, let me just, I remove this connector too, pulling up the screen. So yeah, continuing with our work. Okay, that's good. That's good. Removing the flat cable. Let me now just remove the thinner. Yeah, this one is thinner. Wait, I just want to remove this tape without breaking any COF connector. All right, now here I have let me zoom in. Now here I have the focus. Yeah, here I have the backlight connector, and this is the inverter, and here we have a fuse for it. Let me check the fuse. Always check the fuse, actually. But most probably the fuse is okay. Actually not. Maybe yes, no, I don't know. Wait. Yeah, my meter is good, but this fuse is not. See, I'm putting my multimeter on the fuse, but it didn't say that it is connected. Let me grab a new one and I'll get back. Well, after many tries, many attempts, I found this. Let me see if I can show it to you where it is. Yeah, here it is. I could find this little fuse on a broken screen. I'm gonna test it before proceeding. Yeah, it's a good one. Okay. First, let me see if it is on the same size. Yeah, it is in focus, perfect. You see, I don't know the, actually I don't know the value of the original fuse. I don't have it. But since I found a white one, the same size, so why not? Let us install it. Now the soldering is done. Let me somehow reassemble the back. I hope this works. Yep, I don't know yet the results, but wait, actually I didn't test the fuse after installing it. You know, let me see if the fuse is still working. Yep, the fuse is working. The fuse is good. As mentioned, I don't know the real value for this fuse, but I just found a defective screen or broken screen actually that has the same fuse color, with the same shape. So why not give it a try, right? Right, let's see. Did I break something? No, actually the screen is good. Now it's time to test it on the board itself. Okay, holding on everything in one hand. So the laptop is on. Do we have backlight? No, still no backlight. Still no backlight. That means we do actually have a problem. Yeah, there's no backlight. So the screen itself is defected. Yeah. Let me check my connectors. Let me check the fuse if it's still okay or it's blown again. If it's blown again, that means the inverter, the backlight inverter is faulty. Let me see. No, the backlight, the fuse is okay, but wait. Yeah, we have a bunch of capacitors that are shorted. That means we have a big short on the backlight connector. Let me see if I can. Okay, wait. Let me just remove the whole chassis again. Okay, opening out. Okay, let me go again to the microscope. So going back to the microscope, as we can see over here, there's a bunch of capacitors and there's a diode. Actually, let me check them one by one. Diode is good, but the capacitors are equal to 0. There's a big short on this, but those capacitors are connected directly to this LED strip. Let me just remove the strip and test again. Yeah, testing again. We still have a short. Yeah. Is out. Let's see if it is the problem. Oh no, still have a short. That means one of these capacitors is defected. You see now. Okay. How do I know which one is defected? Since I have removed this inverter chip, I can apply a little bit of voltage. Now we need to get the positive probe on those capacitors, and I'm gonna use my thermal cam to identify which capacitor is defective, because I'm pretty sure that one of the capacitors is responsible for that. Alright, do we have a picture? No, let me just adjust it a little bit. I'm not gonna use my thermal camera this time. What I'm gonna use is another way. To the edge of you see it? This one is defected. Great, it's done. I hope I didn't make a defection on the screen. Let's see now if we still have a short. Cooling the board a little bit. Okay, we don't have short anymore. Yeah, now after removing this bad capacitor, let us try it one more time. Okay, I'm gonna bring in back the whole laptop, inserting back the screen. Inserting also back the battery, holding everything in place. Where's my power button? The power button is on, but do we have backlight? Is the laptop on actually? Yeah, it is on. Do we have backlight? Oh my god, we don't have backlight. So after my last attempt, which was a failure, and while I was going to remove the heatsink, I found that the connector wasn't connected correctly. So I reassembled the heatsink and put it the connector in a proper way, reconnecting my data connector, my screen connector. So the screen connector is on. I hope that it can be it. Okay, putting my screen in this way, trying to connect the battery, turning on the laptop. Is the laptop on? Do we have picture? No, the laptop isn't on. Wait, I should do it in the other way. So, yet again, losing the light just to see if the power comes on. Where's my power button? My laptop is on. Do I have light? Yeah! I can't believe it! The screen is on and it's working. You see the backlight? Great. That's a good news. Yeah. Perfect. No problem. Okay then. So, hi. I'm gonna reassemble everything and I'll get back. So after inserting all the screws, all the ports, inserting now the battery, and also now inserting the back cover. Yeah, everything is snapping in. I will put back the screws in a moment, just checking if everything is in place. Turning on the laptop. Will it give me a backlight? Yeah, great. We do have backlight, but as you can see over here, there is one issue. You see this? It's made by me. And why? Yeah. Can you see this? Yeah, this thing, as I said, it was made by me. Because I applied too much heat, I didn't protect the screen very well. Actually, I didn't know that it will work actually, but even though it worked just fine. Yeah, it's a minor issue. Tell me in the comment what you think. Should I replace it for the customer even ways, or he can keep it like this and work on the laptop like this? But overall, you saw how to, it's a one way of million ways to fix a backlight. I made a video before about the backlight issue. You can find the video over here when you click this link. But here we had multiple issues about the backlight. Let me see if the backlight dims out. Yeah, it is dimming. It's very good. Yeah, so everything is working fine. As I said, in this laptop, the thing was in the screen itself, not on the board. There was an issue with a capacitor on the inverter board that can give light to the screen itself. Anyway, we can consider it a fix. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and thank you for your support. I'll see you another job. Bye.